This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called HolyGhost. HolyGhost, the ransomware is able to damage the files that people store on their computers. Of course, many of us have a lot of files that we cherish, that we value. For instance, these could be some pictures that are valuable for us. Unfortunately, this HolyGhost ransomware may damage all these files that we store. And the fact that this particular ransomware has infected the files means that your existing antivirus simply failed to protect your files ahead of time. So it's a good reason for you to reconsider your choices and switch to some other better and more reliable security program that could help you protect your files. Indeed, your existing antivirus failed to perform its direct function if this HolyGhost ransomware has become the part of your system. Regretfully, this ransomware just damages the files and it is not possible to use them anymore. Now you can clearly see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and the message that you get is that Windows cannot open this type of file with the HolyGh0st extension. So this is the extension that is added to the files and it is not possible to use the files. The ransomware also drops this ransom note on the computer desktop mentioning that people need to pay the ransom for file restoration and to contact the developers using this email address. But paying the ransom is not a good solution because this doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Now, I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software and begin carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this ransomware and to remove this particular ransomware effectively from your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. You need to click on this Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning and researching your system. So then you will see the summary of all the threats which were found during the scan. You will also be able to know the exact locations of these threats. Please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This is what you need to keep your data always protected. Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware module will help you to always protect certain folders on the system, and this is the best way to keep your data, your files, always safe and secure. So at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations, but I strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.